A hostile cell has started operating in an area with poor reconnaissance coverage. Viper has been deployed to monitor their last known location. Once the Viper unit has gained visual or EMF verification of the target, Viper will track the individuals by repositioning to predicted perch positions. Included iStar features: video camera with 30 times optical zoom, audio recording, monitoring network traffic and capture, deploy cyber effectors, 24 to 48 hour continuous monitoring, reposition assets. Once a mission is complete, exfiltration can be initiated autonomously. The Viper iStar UAV platform is based on common drone components and parts, like standard FPV flight controllers, radio communication systems, powered with standard LiPo batteries. iStar capability is provided from an off-the-shelf Android smartphone, which can be articulated to make full use of the powerful built-in camera system. In this demonstration, Viper will perform a wall stick maneuver. Our pilot guides the platform towards the target surface, then increases the throttle to position vertically via the guide rods. Preheated adhesion solution is then extruded onto the surface. Setting of the substance is expedited via the UAV's own prop wash. Once set, Viper can remain adhered to the surface for as long as the operator requires. Operators can stick to multiple surface types: steel, brick, glass, painted surface, wood, concrete. Dismounting can be performed when the operator requires reposition of craft, or retrieval when the objective is completed. This unique capability makes the Viper an unparalleled asset for intelligence gathering and persistent surveillance missions. For more about our iStar platform, Viper, please contact us at motionrobotics.co.uk.